What up, guys? It's me Israel back with another FIFA trading video, and today we're gonna look at the Player of the Month Mane card that's gonna be coming out. I think it's on Friday, and yeah, we're just gonna look at what the requirements are gonna be and what to invest in. I think this is one of the biggest investments you can make, like early in FIFA. You know, if your investments hit, like you might be looking at 100,000 coins profit in just in the first week of FIFA. So this is probably the best the best and the ones that has the most potential to make you coins investment in FIFA 18 so far. So let's just get into it. Looking at the potential Mane Player of the Month card, I mean, according to FitBin, he'll probably be around 86 rated with 93 pace. He's gonna be one of the best left wingers in EPL after this card drops. So a lot of people want to get it. A lot of people want to have it. So a lot of people are gonna pay a good amount of coin to get this card. So I think this is a great investment. And looking at last year's Player of the Month, the first Player of the Month August was Raheem Sterling, and the requirement for his Player of the Month was an 81 rated Manchester City team with 100 cam. Also, they had an 83 Premier League team with 11 gold players and 100 cam. And also they had an 81 England rated team with 100 cam. And for Sadio Mane, I think it's gonna look similar to his. It's probably would be like an 80 or not 80. I think 81 or 82 rated Liverpool team with 100 cam. They might also have a Premier League team, probably like around an 84 and 85 rating with 100 cam. They might also do his past clubs such as Metz from the French league, also Red Bull Salzburg from the Austrian league, and also from Southampton from the Premier League. So those are some. So you need to invest some players from his past clubs, also from Liverpool, and also you might as well get some big rated Premier League players around like 84, 85, kind of cheap cards. You need to get them. Also, they might have a Senegal team with 100 cam. The team rating would be around 77, 78. I don't think Senegal have a lot of high rated players. So I think that will be his requirements. Also, they might mix it up and ask you his August opponents and also the team he scored against, or they may even ask for Mane himself. So there are a lot of players you can invest in. So I invested pretty much most of my coins, and I'll show you to you right now who I invested in. As I was saying, I invested a lot of coins in this for this Player of the Month Mane. My coins right now is about 2,420. I have 65 items invested for the Player of the Month Mane. So some of the investments I made is the first investment I made is I bought Fabianski. He's an inform from EPL. Why I bought him was because last year I remember for the Player of the Month Ibra and also Hazard, and a lot of them they asked for an inform. So if they asked for an inform this time around, like he would, especially if they ask for a Premier League inform, he's gonna be extinct because there's not a lot of Premier League informs. So I just grabbed 2 of them. If he goes extinct, he's probably gonna go 70,000. He's gonna go 70,000, and people are gonna pay for that. I remember last year, I had Tom Heaton, and he sold for it was about 60,000, and I bought him for like 12 grand, something like that. And I bought Fabianski for 18 grand, 18,000 coins, and you know, right now I don't know how much he's going for, but I mean, people are selling, you know, putting him up for 45k right now, 25k I see, but you know, well, one of them is selling for 17,000, but I mean, his price has gone up a lot, so people, you know, especially during the hype, people, his price is gonna skyrocket, I believe, into the 28,000 or around 30 grand. So he's a good investment to have. I think I bought two of them. I got that one for 18k, and this one I got him for, you know, 15k. So he's one of the investments I made, and I hope they ask for a Premier League inform, and he's probably gonna go extinct, and you might you know, sell him for 70,000, and that'll be an easy profit of, you know, 50,000 I'll make in 2 cards, so it'll be like 100,000 just on Fabianski. So that he's the first investment I made. Okay, the second investment I made is Senegal players from BPL. So why I did that was because first of all, I think they're probably gonna ask for a Senegal team, so I went strictly with players who with Senegalese players who play in EPL, and you can get them pretty cheap. I mean, I got, you know, Xavier for 350 coins. It's pretty much discard. You know, I bought that one for 400. I got another Sako, the striker from West Ham. I got it for 450. I bought Niasse from Everton for 350 coins. 400 coins. I mean, I got a lot of them pretty cheap. The good things about it is, you know, now just look at this card, the Niasse card. It's only 350 I bought. If, you know, the investment doesn't go well, I can just, you know, quick sell it for 300, and I'll be only losing, what, 50 coins. But if the investment hits and he's a requirement, he's probably gonna go, you know, he's probably gonna skyrocket to the 2 grand or even 3,000, and I'll be making, you know, 2,500 per card, and I have a lot of them. So this is what I'm saying, you know, this player Mane can get you 100,000 if you invest properly, or if your investments hit. So I bought a lot of, you know, Senegalese, you know, Niasse again 450, Sako 450 again 450. You know, they're not super expensive. You know, if you have around 20,000 coins, you can, you know, buy a ton of them, and if they hit, you know, they're gonna like triple your coins. So they're a very good investment to have. You know, again, you know, they're not that expensive. This one is, you know, 400. I mean, I have a lot of them. I mean, I can go through all the pages to show you. I mean, so I invested heavily in Senegalese Premier League players. I'm pretty certain like a full Liverpool team will be a requirement for the Mane Player of the Month. So it's very wise to invest in Liverpool players. I invested heavily on Lovren and Mignolet. Why? Because, well, Mignolet is the highest rated goalkeeper for Liverpool, and Lovren is the second highest rated center back for Liverpool, and he's gonna be a requirement. So he's the cheapest alternative to Matip, who's going like 4,000, over 4,000 coins in PS4. So I invested Liverpool players. Also I got I don't know how to say his name, Klavan. he was going for 400 coins, so why not? Matip is going for over 4K, so some people might think that's pretty expensive, and they might go for Klavan. So I got him for 400. It doesn't hurt, his again, I can quick sell him for 312, and I'm only gonna be losing 80 coins. But if he's gonna be in demand for the player of the month, Mane, he's gonna go over 1K. So he's a pretty solid investment. I think the best investment is cheap investments will be Lovren. I mean, I got yeah, well, I got that one pretty expensive, but some of the Lovren cards I got this one for 350. I mean, it was a no-brainer. I had to buy it. I mean, that's close. His discard is 324, so I'm only gonna be losing what 26 coins if I just quick sell him. But I know he will be a requirement for the player of the month, Mane, and he's probably gonna be over 2K, and that's an easy profit of over 1500. And I bought a lot of them. I think I have well over 10, 15. I mean, I got him here. I got 2, 3. 3 here. 2 there. I mean, I got like over 10 Lovren cards, and I bought most of them. Wow, this one was pretty expensive, but I bought most of them for from 350 until 800, 900 coins. So they're gonna be a requirement either way. So I know I'm gonna make a lot of coins off them. And also Mignolet, I bought this one for 1200. That's kind of high, but if he's a requirement, well, he's going for 1,000, well, 1,100 an open bid. So if he's a requirement for the player of Zamas Mane, you're probably looking at 3,000 into 4,000. He's gonna go for. You're looking at a profit of 2,500 coins, and I don't know how many I bought. I think I bought like I got 2 over there. I got 2. I got 1. I got like 4 or 5 of his card I grabbed. So I think he's gonna be a requirement, and he's the highest rated goalie for Liverpool. So a lot of people are gonna when they built their Liverpool team for the player of the month, Mane, they're gonna be looking at his card first. So he's a very, very good investment, and if you have coins, I think you should go out and invest in him too. The last investment I made for this player of the month, Mane, SBC, is his former teams, and one of his former teams are Mets. And if you go into the transfer market and search for Mets players, they play in League One, the French league, and if you check out their teams, they only have one gold player. Like they only have bronze and silvers, and they only have one gold player. And right now, he's going pretty cheap. Also, right now he's going for 350 on open piss, 300, 350. I got him pretty cheap too. So if he's gonna be a requirement, he's the only gold card for Mets, and he's gonna be he's gonna hit over, he's gonna go for over 1,000 coins. So I got him for 450. This one, I mean, I bought some of it. I think, yeah, I invested. I got him to again 450. I think I got like 5 or 6 of his card. I think he's a solid investment. Also, this dude, I don't know his name. It's Dabur. He's from Red Bull Salzburg. Again, he's the only gold player in Red Bull Salzburg from the Austrian league. So he's a solid investment too. I bought him for 350. Again, if I quick sell it, he's going for 304 coins. So I'm not losing a lot of coins if he's not gonna be a requirement. I'm only losing 40 coins. But if he's a requirement, he might go for 1,000 or 2 grand. Who knows who knows what the market is gonna be tomorrow. So for the SBC, so it's a good investment to have. It's not risky at all. It's just a safe investment to have. So I suggest you go out and get him too. Here, I got a lot of his cards, to be honest. I got 2, 3, yeah, 4. I just went out and bought some of his cards, so it's a safe investment. Also, I bought some Southampton players because Mane used to play for Southampton. I got Austin again, 350 coins. It's pretty cheap. You can go out there and get him too. Right now the prices are pretty cheap. It's ridiculous. If he's gonna be a requirement tomorrow, his price is gonna start skyrocket. Yeah, I think I got a lot of it. Yeah, here I got him again. I got 3 of his cards. Yeah, also Steven Davis, another Southampton player who's going for cheap. So those are the investment I made into Mane's old teams. So as I was saying earlier, I had about, I think it was like 55,000 coins, but I invested pretty much all of them into this SBC, into the player of the month Mane, and I have like 2,000 coins right now, and I have 65 items ready to be sold. I think most of them are gonna hit, and I think we're looking at a big profit, and we're one step away from getting Ronaldo. I don't know how much he's going for right now, but let's check quick. Oh, Ronaldo. Well, he's still going for 1,400,000 coins. So still have a lot of we still have a long way to go, but I believe I'll probably get him by next month, to be honest. It's gonna be good trading. I think this SBC I'll probably make around 60,000 easily. I believe my investments are gonna hit, and yeah, and just I'm gonna have more videos coming up this coming week. I'll try to upload daily with new trading tips, also SBCs, and let me know what you guys think about the player, the Mane, and let me know what you guys think about the video, and yeah, just like and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification button for more videos. And as I said, I'll try to have videos up every day. Also check out my old video I made earlier. It was about a sniping filter I was using for Zabaleta, and I was making I pretty much made like over 5,000 coins in like 5 minutes. Like, it was pretty easy. So check that out too, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.